Ever been in the middle of an important task and your computer decides to take a nap? Or perhaps you've been victim to the spinning wheel of doom? It's frustrating, isn't it? Well, meet TheEvolver, your one-stop solution to all computer-related problems. TheEvolver is more than just a computer repair service. Located in the heart of Aldie, Virginia, we are a team of expert technicians dedicated to resolving your tech troubles. Our services are comprehensive, covering a wide range of issues for various devices. Got a laptop that's acting up, a MacBook that's lost its spark, or maybe a gaming PC that's not quite game-ready? TheEvolver takes care of it all. Our team is skilled in troubleshooting and repairing all kinds of devices, ensuring they run smoothly and efficiently. But our services don't stop at repairs. TheEvolver also offers maintenance and optimization services to keep your devices in peak condition. We understand that prevention is better than cure, and regular maintenance can help avoid many common computer issues. And guess what? We have a track record to prove our expertise. Our customers have spoken and the reviews are in. 5-star service, they say. But don't just take their word for it. Experience it for yourself. So, the next time your computer decides to throw a tantrum, remember TheEvolver. We are here to help, providing top-notch service and solutions tailored to your needs. Don't let tech troubles slow you down. Reach out to TheEvolver today and let's put those computer problems in the rearview mirror. Because at TheEvolver we evolve with you, for you.